What if I told you that a simple potted peppermint plant could transform your entryway into a welcoming, calming, and functional space? Peppermint is more than just a pretty plant. It's a powerhouse of benefits, and today I'll share why you should consider growing one near your front door. Let's start with its role as a natural pest repellent. Peppermint's menthol rich aroma keeps ants, flies, mosquitoes, and even spiders at bay. And it doesn't stop there, it helps deter mice too. For added protection, you can crush a few leaves and rub them on your door frame. It's simple, effective, and chemical free. Now, let's talk about that welcoming aroma. Peppermint's fresh, clean scent greets your guests the moment they arrive, setting a positive tone for their visit. And since the fragrance naturally freshens the air, it spreads throughout your home without the need for artificial sprays. But that's not all. Peppermint plants act as natural air purifiers, absorbing toxins like formaldehyde and benzene while releasing fresh oxygen into your home. It's like having a personal air filtering system, beautiful and effective. Did you know that peppermint's fragrance also provides a mental boost? Many people use peppermint essential oil to improve focus and clarity. With a peppermint plant in your entryway, you'll have those same natural and effortless benefits all day long. And let's not forget the fresh leaves. Whether you're garnishing a dessert, brewing a calming peppermint tea, or adding a dash of flavor to your favorite dish, having fresh peppermint at your fingertips is a culinary delight. Plus, the aroma from crushed leaves can even relieve minor headaches and nasal congestion. Finally, peppermint has a unique ability to reduce stress and promote calm. Studies show its aroma can relieve anxiety and fatigue. So imagine walking into your home after a long day and feeling instantly relaxed. Your guests will feel it too, making their visit that much more enjoyable. So, whether it's for the pest control, the fresh air, or the soothing benefits, a peppermint plant in your entryway is a small addition with big rewards. Why not bring this multitasking plant into your home today?